This is a valve material type. It is a text file that tells the game how a taut VTF texture should behave. Is it shiny? Is it bumpy? You can edit it in Notepad. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's edit the material. Here's a professional insight. For those VMT files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. A VMT file is a material definition script used by Valve's source game engine. Game developers and modders use it to define how a texture, VTF file, appears on a surface, specifying properties like its base texture, bump maps, shininess, and translucency. It's essential for creating custom assets. VMT files are plain text scripts using Valve's KeyValues syntax, a simple key-value pair structure enclosed in braces. This text-based design was chosen for its ease of editing and human readability, allowing modders to quickly create and tweak material properties without needing specialized compilation tools. Guaranteed access to VMT files is typically achieved using Valve Source SDK from Valve Corporation. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows cannot display textures, models, or assets inside, so opening them needs proper tools. To resolve the incompatible format issue, right-click the VMT file and choose Open With. Prioritize Valve Source SDK if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a functional file claim. When a VMT file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Let's keep moving forward. We're isolating the VMT problem to one of three basic causes. This next steps provide a quick, reassuring breakdown of what to look for. First, editing in text editor. Open the VMT file in any text editor like Notepad++, VS Code, or Sublime Text. The plain text format displays material parameters which you can modify directly. Adjust texture paths, shader settings, and surface properties. Then save to apply changes to the game material when the level is reloaded. Next, using VTFEdit. Install VTFEdit, a Valve material editor tool for visual VMT editing. The application provides a GUI for selecting shaders, configuring texture references, and previewing material appearance. VTFEdit also handles VTF texture files, allowing complete material workflow from texture creation to material definition. Finally, working with Hammer Editor. Use the source SDK Hammer Editor to apply and preview VMT materials on level geometry. The editor's texture browser displays materials defined by VMT files and applies them to surfaces during level design. Modified VMT files appear immediately in Hammer when refreshing the texture list. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.